Liberia no ano se medi kan boss so ma wo ese empenyifo a egina na wo ma ye candidate a ekọ akansie ni bi no eye makomako adu no dunkron na enimre mampania wote sese no ekọ akosi sakai no na kani mampania be de akire ya wono soso no egina bi ne bi mususu san hye na da ne bekọ na wiye no na ono anase eye mampani otiso na omumu bako na afa adwa no sanse wono wo hye manyoko a wodi animu no a eno na ye biggest opposition party na chesa manyoko a eni abam no de so pa ewo Liberia no wono na wodi animu a wo hye ne sare yenkotie ehonsem.
We have seen things are not working the way he promised the Liberian people to change their lives, but we are seeing things have become very difficult for people. The common Liberian people that were happy before with this government, they themselves have felt the suffering that the government have brought. They are only there for themselves. They are not there for the people.
Actually, I'm a former citizen. We are going to support Joe Braga because he's someone who has integrity. We're going to vote on Joe Braga because he's someone who has vision. He can rescue this country. That way, one of the main reasons we're going to vote Joe Braga as the next person of the Liberia.
The issue having to do with President Weah, you know, President Weah one state that he is not a politician. The Liberian people force his surrounding forces to become president. So for I can't believe President Weah because he is not a politician. They don't know the job. So that's the reason why we decided to vote him out. President Weah messed the country out. There's no job, there's no company, nothing going on. We are doing business, no buying. We're complaining, no buying.
From the situation surrounding the current government, for me, I see there's a reason for him succeeding the second term. Because we see a lot of development, a lot of opportunity, a lot of environment. For the past government, we have been doing normal business here. People have been running, have been chasing us. But since we get into the government, we have been peaceful and free to do our normal business. So for which I've seen, it will better get the second term.
I'm voting for the best candidate ever.
Which one is that?
Country giant. The pride of Africa, the black diamond from Liberia. That he said, I'm going to vote for on Tuesday. Bakugbe, president-elect again for the second term, George Manuel Weah.
Where are they coming to change? Why did they not change? They want to change. Why the law that they're looking for to find? So now we prefer the current president to be re-voted to be the next president of Liberia because he's doing well. There are a lot of things that they're not set in the country that he try to set it. People try to blame 175-year-old probably on someone who just a president for 5 years. It will never be that. Change is a process. It's a gradual thing. So we are on the red trajectory of change. So we cannot change George Weah